Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this camera photo dump editing on CapCut. So to make this easier, I'm going to show you how you can use the camera photo dump templates on CapCut. So let's just go to the templates, and in here click on the search column at the top and type in camera photo dump as the keyword. Now you can just click on enter, and you'll see there are lots of photo dump with these camera frames. I'm going to suggest you to use that one, so I'm going to just use the first ones right here. Here you can upload up to 25 image. You can just tap on the use template and find your photos. Okay, I'm going to select the photo first. Okay, so here I've already chosen the photos. You can just tap on next, and CapCut will load the effect first. Now you can just wait, and here you can see the preview of your camera photo dump, and this will be the result. Now you can just tap on export, and the camera photo dump will be saved to your gallery. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.